Alright, peeps, welcome back. Welcome back. Recipe for today. We're going to have some pigtail. You can see the cut there is a pound of pigtail. We're going to have some ackee. So 2 dozen ackee with a pound of pigtail. Otherwise, see spice them here. We're going to go with the pigtail and ackee. We have sweet pepper, hot pepper, tomatoes, scallion, garlic, onion, pepper. Right? Yeah. Otherwise, I'll have some cooked food. So we're going to boil the pigtail, scald it off about 7 minutes. You know it's salt, you know. And so you don't know, so we have to work with the boil out the salt out like about 7 minutes. Some people like it with the salt, but me like when the salt come out, because at the end of the day, salt not too good. So I'm going to boil it. 7 minutes now boil it for. This is the way I'm going to prepare my pigtail. So you can see water here boiling. So I'm going to throw the pigtail in this. So I'm going to let it boil about around 7 minutes. So I'm going to clean up my ackee now. It's a recipe that was nice, man. Delicious. Pigtail and ackee with cooked food. The recipe is nice. So please do subscribe, like, share, and comment. So this is lumberjack little kitchen. Yeah. Recipe finger licking. See ackee there. So we're going to have some cooked food with ackee. We're going to have Irish, cocoa, pumpkin, yellow yam, and this yam we call him renta. Otherwise, we have some banana. And see spicy for ackee, sweet pepper, hot pepper, tomato, scallion, onion, garlic. Right? Yeah. I can see the pigtail here. Yeah, so the pigtail is calling off, right? Cause you don't know you can't too salt, you know. You're not gonna go. Some people like the salt, but I like my pigtail fresh. So recipe for today: some ackee, pigtail, and boiled food. So please subscribe, like, share, and comment. But please, I can't be out with you know. So I want to share, likes, and comment. Subscribe, right? Alright. So it is lumberjack represent. 7-time rise. We not believe in I falling thing. Out and bad. Big up Father God first and everything. Granny tell me so when I cook banana, I put the skin of the pot that the pot not stay in it. So you can use some cooking oil and you put the banana skin. Boy, take care of yourself. What cover fry the star? Yo, John, lumberjack fry. Take care of yourself. See it, ackee. And see picture right ready and long enough, so we'll spice up it and all. Yeah, man. See food pot they cook up. See it? Yeah. So easy to take out the seed. Alright. Put it now 4. That's all the seed it is. Date for the pigtail, you know? Yeah, man, it's pretty, bossy. Yeah, remember I menu, man, pigtail and ackee. Boiled food, right? Yeah, man. Watch out now. Try to subscribe ackee to the pigtail. You know, say, yo, this a menu, you're mad. Yeah, man, and you mix it and you turn it up, man. And put everything in one order, you know? Yo, John, no spice of food, they're delicious. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and comment, man. Post it, pigtail and ackee. Finger licking, you know? Yes, my peeps, dinner time, see there? Yeah, man. See pigtail, ackee, see all that spice them there. Pumpkin, yam, cocoa, banana. Yeah, man. Delicious, you know? So please to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Yeah, man. Peace. I can't be out, you know. Lumberjack represent 7 time rise. No believe in that Paul thing. Big up Father God first and everything.